Alright, today we're going to be replacing this leaking water service. It was leaking inside of the wall there, so the only way to fix it would be to dig down on the other side, which they approve. So, hey, why don't you dig a little faster? We ain't got time for this shit. I told you we should have just rented the excavator. Here, give me the fucking shovel and let a man dig, alright? Get out of my fucking way. I'm going to get this shit done. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and dig this hole. Show them how it's done there. Alright. Now you gotta dig through them roots now. This ain't no easy digging. See, that's what he does when, oh my gosh. I can't believe he put that in the video. Alright, and look at that. Look at all them ants on there. Okay, anyway, we're gonna get back to it. Gonna go ahead and get that Schedule 40 pipe through that foundation there. Alright, gonna go ahead and unsweat this pipe because we ain't gonna put a coupling in there now. You know how I feel about them couplings. If you can unsweat it, you better unsweat it. Alright, looking about 7.5. Go ahead and put some flux on that brass. Alright. Nice and easy now. Just gotta touch it. Alright, go ahead and put that nut right on that pipe, just like that, with that rubber gasket. Now that rubber gasket's what's gonna keep that pipe from leaking now. Never forget that. And you better make sure it's tight too, or it'll be a callback. You have to go back and dig it up again. Alright, there you go. Go ahead and tighten up them screws. Now you're going to want to go inside and get the inside ready. And then once you get that inside ready, you're going to go ahead and put that pack joint 90 on there. Alright. You're going to go ahead and turn that valve off. Get that water to stop dripping there. Alright, go ahead and put on your nut and your rubber gasket there for your pack joint 90. Now I know what you're going to say. Why you call it a pack joint? And I'll tell you why. I don't know. That's just what I heard people call it, so that's what I call it. I know it's really called a forward fitting. But, you know, sweat, solder, whatever. Alright, go ahead and tighten that up. Now with no room in there, you're going to have to tighten that sucker about 135 times now. Your arm's going to be killing you by the time you're done. Alright, like I said earlier, don't forget to tighten up them screws. Alright. Now never forget your hydraulic cement, alright? Because if you do, you might have a leak and it could be groundwater. You think the water service is leaking again, the plumber dig it up for no reason, he's going to be pissed. Alright. Now this is what I don't understand. Like when he does this, he tries to smooth it out like it ain't going to get buried anyway. Just glob it on there and get the hell up out of the hole, alright? There we go. Time to finish up. Now when you leave, you want that yard to look just as good as it did when you got there. And if it don't, it's going to be a callback. You're going to have to go back there and you're going to have to smooth it out and do whatever they want you to do. Or else they'll give you a bad review on Google. Alright. And just like that, on a bright sunny day, you have the water service repair.